Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. Now I have some water boiling, so I'm gonna add my oats. I will not be making my porridge too thick today, so I'm gonna add less oats than I would normally add. So remember that the more oats you add, the thicker your porridge will be. I don't really love my porridge that thick, especially my oats porridge, so I normally add less oats depending on the mood that I am in. So today I just feel for some nice oats porridge but on the thin side. So if you are not that type of person, just add more oats. Alright guys, as you can see, I don't much oats in the pot, but I some want it today. Alright, so I'm gonna allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, yeah, and then I am going to show you the next step. Alright guys, so I don't normally cover the pot when I'm making my oats porridge, or most times when I'm making porridge in general, I'd like cover the pot halfway because I don't want it to boil over on the stove. Now guys, may I make some oats porridge, but I don't want any dairy in it, so I'm gonna be using some soy milk. However, you can go ahead and add your dairy if you wish. Alright, so I'm just using some water to dissolve the soy because I don't want to just add it to the pot like that, because you know it will become lumpy. So you want to mix, and afterwards you want to add your milk after boiling for 3 minutes. Now guys, I like to allow it to stop boiling first and then I add my milk. Reason being, especially since I did not add much oats, I don't want it to be, watery. Alright, so I put out the flame, I allow it to stop boiling, and then I add my milk. Now you have some persons who, when they're making porridge, they will add the milk while it's boiling. I don't normally do that, but if you're a person who do that, don't judge me and I don't judge you. Alright, so I added some vanilla. Now I'm gonna add some sugar. And I add a pinch of salt guys. Now I mix it nicely, and remember, always taste to see if it needs more ingredients. Alright, so my porridge is just the way I love it guys. So I'm gonna pour some in my plate after mixing and show you the end product. Alright, so enough people are gonna say my porridge runny. No, it's not. It's just the consistency that I desire. Now I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give me a like. Stay blessed guys, and go and big up on yourself.